Hi guys, welcome back to my mathematics tutorial. My name is Peter C. Dr. Junior, your math tutor, and I am an instructor of mathematics at the University of Liberia. In today's lesson, we want to look at additional problems under solving natural logarithmic functions, finding derivatives of natural logarithmic functions. So in the previous lessons, we did questions 1 up to 6. And we also proof the formulas for finding the derivative of the natural logarithmic function. So if you did not watch those videos, please go back and review yourself. But if you just want to have an experience on some tougher problems, then you are good. So question number 7. So I'm going to solve the first 3 problems in this video. In the next lesson, we're going to solve the next 3 problems. So question number 7. We have f of t is equal to the ln of t raised to the 4th power plus 5t all raised to the power 3 over 4. Now we told you if you have ln of a raised to the power r is just equal to r ln of a. So because this is ln of a raised to this power r, we can just bring this r down. So f of t is equals to 3 over 4 ln of t raised to the 4th power plus 5t. Right? Then the next thing we do now, we differentiate f prime of t. So this is 3 over 4. We hold on to it and differentiate this ln. So the derivative of ln of a function. Now we told you ln of x. The derivative of ln of x, if y equals to ln of x, y prime is equal to 1 over x times the derivative of x. So it's 1 over x. So this entire thing represents x. So it's 1 now over t raised to the 4th power plus 5t times the derivative of t to the 4th power plus 5t. So if we want to write it step by step, we can say d by dt of t to the 4th power plus 5t. This indicates that we have not differentiated this function. This shows that we are about to differentiate this function right here. So now we have f prime of t is equals to 3 over 4. So this now will give us 1r over t to the 4th power plus 5t. So what's the derivative of this? We just have 4t, bring this 4 down, subtract 1 from this power, raised to the 3rd power, plus the derivative of 5t, we told you in previous lesson, is just equals to 5. So now we can just simplify. So f prime of t is equal to, this is now 3 times the numerator, 4t cubed plus 5, all over the denominator, 4t to the 4th power plus 5t. So this is our final answer. So solve the next problem. So question 8 says f of x is equal to x minus 1 raised to the 3rd power all over x times x plus 3 raised to the 4th power. Now, we were asked to use natural logarithm to solve this problem. Wow. So the first thing we can do is to rewrite this f of x with another name for this function. So we can say, wow, that's the same thing. So we want to use the implicit differentiation method to solve this problem. So the essence of doing that is to reduce this complex portion of the problem. Right here, we want to reduce this portion. So we can take the ln on both sides. So we take the ln of this, ln of y, we take the ln of what is here? X minus 1 raised to the third power divided by x times x plus 3 raised to the fourth power. Now, ln of a over b is equal to ln of a plus ln of b. So this entire numerator is our a, this denominator is our b. So ln of y is equal to ln of x minus 1 raised to the third power. Sorry, this is minus ln of x times x plus 3 raised to the fourth power. That's the first error. So we already know that ln of x minus 1 or raised to the third power is just can be rewritten in this form. ln of a raised to r is equal to r ln of a. Now, for this portion, we have multiplication. So we can also record that ln of a times b is equal to ln of a plus ln of b. So this represents our a and this represents our b. So we can now have ln of y equals, this 3 comes down, which is 3 ln of x minus 1 minus, so we take the ln of x plus the ln of b, but because of this negative, so we'll have minus a ln of x plus 3 raised to the fourth power. So lastly, we can drop this power. So ln of y equals to 3 ln of x minus 1 minus ln of x minus 4 ln of x plus 3. So you see the problem now is a bit simple. So we can differentiate. Oh, sorry. We can find the derivative. Yes, let's differentiate. Okay. Sorry, I was like thinking of differential equation. So the derivative of ln of y is just 1 over y. And then times the derivative of this y, which is y prime. Now we attach y prime because y is the name of this function. And at the end of the day, we must be able to solve for y prime. So that's why we attached y prime equals. Now this one, this is 3. The derivative of ln of x minus 1 is 1 all over x minus 1. The derivative of x is just 1. The derivative of 1 is 0. Minus the derivative of ln of x is just 1 all over x. Minus the derivative of ln of x plus 3 is just 1 all over x plus 3. So it's just simple. Then now our main goal is to ensure that we'll be able to simplify this problem because we can't leave it like that. We have to put it together. So we have y prime over y equals. So we can find the LCD for all of these 1, 2, 3 terms. So the LCD is just the product of the 3 of them. So it's x times x minus 1 times x plus 3. So x minus 1 goes into this, x minus 1 will go out. You'll be left with x times x plus 3. So it's 3x x plus 3 minus x goes into this x will cancel. You just left with this one. So it's x minus 1 times x plus 3. And then x plus 3 goes into this denominator. X plus 3 will go out. You'll be left with this one. So it's minus 4 times, okay, 4x times x minus 1. So now we can further simplify, and we have y prime over y. So this is now 3x to the second power plus 9x minus x squared minus 3x plus x, and then this and this is also plus 3. So minus 4x squared and plus 4x, all divided by x minus 1, and x plus 3. So 3x squared minus x squared. So we can call it like terms. So these are like terms. So 3 minus 4 minus 1 is just 2. 2 minus 4 is just minus 2. So y prime all over y is equal to minus 2x squared. That's the first one. The next one, x to the first power. So we have 9x minus 3x is 6 plus 1x is 7, and then 7 plus 4 is 11. So let's do that again. Minus 3 plus x is just 2, minus 2, and then we take 4 from here, we have plus 2, or we can take 2 from within 4, we have plus 2. Plus 2 plus 9 is 11. So this is plus 11x. We'll go to the constants, so it's just 3. So this is plus 3. All divided by x minus 1, x plus 3. Now, initially we had the value for y. So we have to get rid of this y. So we multiply all sides by y. Y times this, y will cancel. So if y and y goes up, we have y prime now to be, this y now will just come up here. So it's going to be y times this whole expression is negative 2x squared plus 11x plus 3, all divided by x times x minus 1 and x plus 3. So we can bring in the value for y. This is y. So we have y prime equals, y is x minus 1 raised to the third power, all over x times x plus 3 raised to the fourth power, times minus 2x squared plus 11x plus 3, all over x minus 1 and x plus 3. So this is x minus 1. X minus 1 can cancel 1 from here. We'll be left with 2. So we can have y prime now to be, in this numerator, we have minus 2x squared plus 11x plus 3 times x minus 1 raised to the second power divided by x. Now this x plus 3 and x times x plus 3, we can just simplify it. So it's x plus 3 now raised to the fifth power.